Hi, welcome back to LMN Options Trading. I'm taking another trade in this market session, and it's going to be in Applied Materials. The ticker symbol for this is AMAT. So we can see here, the market is still making new all-time highs. And so in light of that, I'm going to be taking a defined risk trade. So Applied Materials is also in the semiconductor space. As we are aware, semiconductors are still in global shortage and in high demand throughout the world today. I believe that they not only produce semiconductor chips for computers, they also produce them for other applications as well. So most of the news talks about, some of this, the price correction, the earnings that is expected to happen, I think, in a week from now. And also, it still talks about the global chip shortage as mentioned before. We come over to the financials. We can see that the revenue has been increasing, still is increasing. The net income is also increasing in tandem with the revenue, and thus the earnings per share as well. Operating cash flow is positive and increasing, so is free cash flow. The net margin is also doing well, it's above 20%. Interest coverage is more than sufficient. I believe the debt to equity ratio is quite decent. I mean, it's pretty low. However, when we come over to valuation, this company is somewhat overvalued. So therefore, also the reason for taking a defined risk trade. And this is actually because the price has bounced off this roughly around 140 something level. And so right now, what I can see is there is a trend line in which it is kind of like at the bottom of the trend line right now. This is a 11% correction. So I'll be looking to take a defined risk bull put credit spread in this strategy, just like the one that I took for Viva yesterday. And also, as I mentioned before in an earlier video, the option open interest is a tool that we also can use to kind of predict where the prices may gravitate towards. Normally, the options with the highest open interest tends to be those areas of interest. So the option with the highest open interest is the call option at a strike price of $140. So with the stock price currently below 130 and with the options with the most interest at 140, I kind of have a bullish prediction that the stock will gravitate back up towards $140. So we come over to the Tastyworks platform. AMAT, we see that the implied volatility rank is 24.3. Anything above 20, we can kind of look to sell premiums in. We're going to choose the strike price that's 36 days to expiration. This is because in the last 30 to 50 days of the option contract's life, that's where the extrinsic value decay of out-of-the-money options decay the fastest. So we want to make use of that. We want to put the data decay in our favor. So we're going to choose the options that will expire on September the 17th, which is 36 days to expiration. And these are the regular option contracts, the monthly options. We're not choosing the weekly for this. We're going to take a bull put spread. So I'm going to short the put option that is about 30 deltas. And I'm going to long the next strike put option. And therefore, I will be collecting a premium of around $148, and my max loss is $352. The probability of profit is 60. Okay, it has shifted. $150. The probability of profit is 63%. And my ROI is 149 divided by 351. 42% ROI. So if we come over to the payout diagram, so as long as the stock price is above the short strike of $125, then I will receive the maximum profit for this trade. And if it falls below the long strike of $120, then I will have the maximum loss for this trade. And this will be as of expiration date, which is 36 days into the future. Okay, so that is the trade that I've put on in AMAT, and I will update about how this position goes in my weekly portfolio review videos. So thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please leave a like, please leave a comment. Your comments will be very helpful for helping me to improve the video, and also for providing content that you perhaps want to watch and want to learn. So if you're interested in learning more about options trading, if you're interested in learning more about fundamental and technical analysis and investing in general, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.